Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to delete pictures from text messages on Android so you can keep your messages clean and free up space. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messages app on your Android phone. This is where you send and receive texts and multimedia messages. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to find the message that contains the picture you want to delete. Step 3. If you want to delete the entire message thread, including all pictures and texts, open the message, tap the three dots, select delete, and confirm your choice. Step 4. To delete just a single picture, tap the picture you want to remove, then tap the delete icon and confirm by tapping OK. Alternatively, you can long press the message with the picture, tap the delete icon, select multiple pictures if needed, and delete them all at once. Or tap the contact name at the top, go to the images section, find the photo you want to delete, then press and hold on that photo to delete it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.